Yo, sorry for the little delay. I was actually yeah, slept in so many times. I was actually filming the video and it ran a little bit late, so yeah, I was 5 minutes late. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, my apologies. How's everybody doing though? Good. I might actually put a level right here since that's a 15-minute wick. Yo, Will, how's it going, man? Welcome. Glad to have you here. Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Very, very good. Yo, Basic, welcome. Glad to have you here. Also, you, Ramson, awesome to have you here too. Pez stream for NY, what more could we want? Yeah, legit. Yeah, it's a crazy day. Crazy day. 3 streams back to back one day. Can you guys believe it? Allison, what's up? Obadia. How many push ups, my G? Many, many, many. Many push ups. Yeah, I'll get some music going. Sorry, guys. One sec. Just chilling. I was a minute late because I was filming a video and it ran a little bit late. So, yeah, my apologies about that. But yeah, for you guys, for my YouTube. So it's gonna be a long form content video, talking about how I found success and everything, what I had to go through. I think it's gonna be really enjoyable. Yeah, I really think you guys are gonna like it. So get ready for some awesome sauce content. Some absolutely awesome sauce content. Yeah. I finished filming it and well, I was looking at my watch every now and then because I was trying to not be late for this. And my watch was like a little bit behind, I guess. I finally finished. I looked at my phone. I was like, "Oh shit. I'm 5 minutes late." So I like ran from where I was filming it to here and started the stream. So I'm going to have to dip in like a minute to get a coffee. But yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to pour up some electrolytes or something instead. Don't really need a coffee right now, to be honest. Yeah, there's music playing in the background, right? Skip that one. No way, bro. You're not having your third Red Bull. No friggin' way, bro. That's cap. Should not be at that, bro. Should not be doing it. Everybody like the stream. Let's get the stream out there if you don't mind. I'm not begging, but like the stream. Smash the like button. Throw your friggin', I don't know, headbutt it. I actually got to look at this video real quick and make sure I filmed it right. Need cappuccino. Ooh, yeah, that sounds good. Pez bender. Yeah, I'm on a fucking streaming bender. I'm on a streaming bender. I can't stop. And then force myself to do it again. I fell deep into some addictions, like vaping every single minute of the day, smoking cigarettes, binge eating, drinking on the weekends. What do you mean you don't know how you're still alive? What happened? Oh, I didn't read that first message. Most cooked thing I ever done is a can of Monster mixed with what? Dude, why would you do that? What? What? Yeah, like why the heck would you do that? Mr. Player's here. Oh, FaZe Aru's here too. Bro, what is the minimum pips wick retest you look for? Like, can it be small? Can it hit stop loss and then goes in your direction? There's no like, there's not really a minimum. There's more so a maximum. But the minimum is just, it has to kind of give a test. Like, it can be a smaller test sometimes, but as long as it's like, at least 5 to 10 ticks probably, depending on the ranges, right? Yeah, legit tweaking off monster is crazy. Yeah, tweaking off monster is just absolutely wild. Pre-workout called Craze. I feel like I heard of that before. Is it good? Oh, it got banned. I didn't read that part. Damn. Jack sounds like it would be wild. Quick top down. Yeah, sure. Weekly's been, I feel like the weekly's been here since the week started. Pretty much. Like, I mean, we wicked up, wicked down, but we haven't broke above or even broke the bottom wick, so it's hard to get direction off that. The daily closed pretty bullish yesterday, but right at resistance. We're kind of failing to break below or above so far today. I think we probably will in New York. Maybe not, though, just because FOMC is later, so we definitely could just kind of range until then and not get a clean setup. 4 hours bullish at the moment, but it looks like it could flip red. Let's look at the 4 hour on Forex. But the same thing. There's more clean range on the 4 hour on Forex. Kind of the same. Yeah, looks like we might flip and push down a bit on this one. The hourly just had a nice little closure with a retested upside. Very possible we break below. Yeah, very possible we break below here, to be honest. I'm gonna move my level right here, make it a bit safer. Beautiful sells below level. Beautiful sells below level. I think a sell below that level would be pretty nice. Craze had same what? Same substance as meth? No way. DMAA is made from geraniums, but for fuck's sake, some idiot took too much and did a marathon and that's tough. Yeah, that's tough. Bro, I want to join Daniel. Is it worth it? Because Daniel is too expensive, especially for me living in India. I mean, it could be worth it. You can also learn for free. It's just like, obviously it's going to fast track your performance or whatever, but do you have the money for it? You shouldn't like sell your kidney for it. No. But if you have the money for it, yeah, it's totally worth it. Yo, Grant, what's up? Yeah, New York Pez is in the building. Smash the like button. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Let's get the stream right there. Potential bottom wick for 4 hour. Yeah, I was thinking that we might flip and push down and get a sell below here, maybe. New York could just bring in buyers before FOMC, though. It helps you stay on track and on the right path. What does pre-workout? What are you talking about? Did you just say pre-workout helps you stay on the right path? You guys are talking about, oh, the mentorship. Sorry, that blanked out of my mind. I forgot I was even talking about that. Yo, Oren, what's up, man? Yeah, we're doing a little hat trick day. Going for a hat trick today. Triple stream type shit. Ask for just a WAP course if you think that might help enough. I think you can get just a course. I think you can. I'm not sure, though. Yes, sir. 3 streams today. We're cooking. We're cooking. We're absolutely cooking. Good morning, Juan. Yeah, nice to have you here. Will, as always, medical little pharmacy. First time here, Pez. Tell me what's the game plan for today, please. The game plan for today is we have a key level marked for buys above, a key level marked for sells below. I just did a quick little top down. I'm more interested in sells below just because of the 4 hour being structured the way it is with the previous really bearish closure. And after rejecting down a little bit from the top wick. Also, the way the hourly looks, it's hard to have a bias coming into a new session sometimes because buyers and sellers can come in differently than how you expect. We could just get a lot of buyers before FOMC. We could probably honestly just range until FOMC. I would be really happy not to take anything today just because we have FOMC. Yeah, I did. I took a 10K payout. Yeah. I took a 10K payout. Wow, only 5 likes. Come on, guys. What's going on? I told you gotta headbutt it. You gotta literally smash your face on the like button. Yeah, wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Oh, yeah, put a little makeup. Makeup. Anybody know that song, Chop Suey? That's a good ass song. Yeah, sick song. One sec, guys. I'm gonna get some water. One sec. Got a bottle of water. Bottle of water. I'm so thirsty. I am so freaking thirsty. Why'd you leave the kids on the table? You wanted to. Does anybody know how much Daniel mentorship costs? I'm not sure. I know that the price is way different than when I paid for it. Yeah, listening to Chop Suey after loss would actually go hard. When it gets to the part where it's like, why have you forsaken me? That would go hard after a loss. That line was from a book. He didn't know what to write. You talking about in that song? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I knew that was from the Bible. Bumping that in the Civic back in the day, legit. Yeah. Those speakers were jank. Those speakers... How did we even listen to music through those? Anyone going to that meetup on Saturday? I wish I was. But I'm literally on the other side of the world, so it's kind of hard. There's a news in 12 minutes, right? There's news in 12 minutes? What? I thought FOMC was like a long time from now. Yo, Sylvia, how's it going? The Queen of Poland is here. Fly the other way? What do you mean? I'm actually on the opposite side of the world. I think you could dig a hole through the earth from Australia and you'll get to where I am. We do have news. What news is it? The earth is flat. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, bro. The funny part is you actually can't. Yeah. Prove to me that the earth is round. You can't. I'm just playing. But you can't, though. Ever been in a plane? How does that prove anything? Yeah, how does that prove anything? No, you can't see the curve in a plane. You just see the horizon. I don't think you can. Maybe you can. Earth is round because you can't see it from my house. No, Seal is saying that it's round because you can see the curve, but I've been on a plane. I never seen no curve. I also didn't really pay attention because I could care less what shape the Earth is. I really do not care whether or not the Earth is round or flat. I have no emotional attachment to either. But I will admit this. You know, it's sus. It's sus. Yeah, FaZe Aru is a flat earther. It's a cube is hilarious. Why is he a bot, Jack? Have you went to space? Have you been to the moon? Yeah, let's make this whole stream about conspiracy theories. No one has ever been to the moon, but what's funny is, have you actually watched back the footage of people on the moon? It's kind of funny, like how ridiculous it looks. Purple tip. Let's not talk about that. Aru is so funny, dude. Aru is just straight up telling it how it is. The government is controlling my entries. That's why I suck at trading. We know what all the conspiracies will come back to. Yeah, legit, Orem. Why the sky is blue but the galaxy is black. We are in a matrix. Bro, once I went to the moon and Earth is beautiful, man. You should have sent me a picture. How is trading with Bullnox? It's good if you're learning the ropes for sure. Like, I have a 91% off code. That makes the account like $15 for a challenge. If you're not confident in your ability to like hold on to a funded, you don't really want to get funded, I wouldn't say. So why would you go with TopStep, who's way more expensive? Obviously, TopStep has better rules and stuff, and I trade with TopStep, but I'm comfortable with trading, so I use TopStep even though they're more expensive because they have better rules. If you're learning the game, Bullnox is the way to go for like the beginning stages. Feel free to use that code. Bro, all you need to do is buy good VR and you were there. Yeah, legit. So what about the stuff in Appalachia? You see a lot of people say there are weird things there. I'd never heard anything about that, but yeah, send me some of it if you want. Jack, how do you know? How do you know, bro? Look, Tucker's here. Ask Tucker. Tucker, is the Earth flat or round? Like, legit, man. Give me a real answer. Is the Earth flat or round? Did we actually go to the moon? It's flat, bro. Exactly, Tucker. Exactly. Jack is a bot, man. Jack is a literal bot, dude. Like, I think, guys, Jack is saying that we went to the moon and the Earth is round. Jack, bro, you're a fucking bot. You're an NPC. The moon is real. It's just not a planet. It's plasma. Yes, medical, I do. We all want to have our minds blown right now. These are all bots. Dean, I would say no because I love boneless wings. Clouds are a hologram. How do you know it's not? That's the thing. How do you know? Wait, medical answered. The moon has the same cycle as women's menstruation cycle. Huh? We said COVID vax was a scam. We were right. We said, oh, okay, come on now. All I'm saying is we don't know anything. We don't know anything. It's 100% flat with a giant ice wall. The world has 13 months, not 12, and we have been lied to about everything. Oh, this stream is great. Maybe I should hop on New York more often. I feel like all the Australians that join my stream are like overtired at this point. Everybody's overtired and tripping. How do you decide to draw your lines? They're level to the left. Yeah, I decided based on the hourly and the 30 being looking like the way it is. I'm gonna disregard that little level right there since it's a beautiful little hourly wick. Yeah, I'm turning into Joe Rogan trades. Yeah, I might be. I might be, to be honest. Uh, dude, someone said there's news in 12 minutes a while ago. We gotta see what that is. What? There's unemployment cost index at 10 a.m. Oh my. That is so dumb. That is friggin' dumb. Have I had any sleep, dog? Not since the London stream, no. But the reason, the main reason I decided to do this was I missed pre-London. I slept in a little bit. I'd say I got like 2 hours. In between Asia and London, I say I got 2 hours. And I was like, fuck it. I'll just hop on for New York for a little bit. Like the stream so we can get New York popping. Yeah, live stream marathon. Let's go. Should I do all 3 sessions every day? We live in a simulation. The market is fake. That I 100% believe. I believe in aliens, but I don't believe in Pez Ever Sleeps. Jack, saying the earth is round, but you believe in aliens is crazy. I mean, you see a lot of them in London these days. See a lot of what? Aliens? Are tap water also fake? 100%. Aliens, yeah. See a lot of aliens in London. Hey, is Tucker still here? Yeah, is Tucker here? Bible says there are aliens, but underground, not in space. I never read that in the Bible. Send me the verse. You guys in Canada have a lot of aliens too? Yeah, I'm one of them. What do you mean? You're looking at one right now. Tucker Carlson. I wish he was in chat. That'd be an interesting conversation. He'd tell you how it is. He would put Jack to shame. He would put Jack to shame. Is there no music playing right now? Guys, can you hear that music in the background? No music? What the heck? All right, 1 second, guys. First, I'm gonna go get my headphones or my AirPods. But first, I'm gonna type in this Genesis 4 16 17. Let's see. Genesis 4 16 17. That's just talking about Cain's exile after killing Abel. Yeah, it says nothing about aliens being underground. Read it deeper. Yeah, I don't know. So we had those. What was the news was the news just hit. So unemployment cost index just hit. Forex and futures failed to break above that level I had marked. Pretty weak news, to be honest. Yeah, pretty weak news. Yeah. Orem says, "Remember Mark Zuckerberg was a was a lizard and then he started jujitsu, so we all agreed he was cool for a bit." Legit, man, that actually happened, which is crazy to say. I am leaning more bullish, waiting for confirmation above like you. Yeah, understandable. He was never cool. Yeah, that is pretty true. Judo lizards, yeah. Oh, Tucker, you are still here. I just asked where you went, and you didn't say anything. Bad boy. I'm gonna have to fucking dunk on you when you come to Canada now. Is your brother there with you? Yeah, if your brother's there, tell him I'm gonna fucking dunk on his ass. Posterize the shit out of him. And then I'm gonna post it on my Instagram and tag him. Yeah, hurry up and get that payout, man. I really want it to happen. Like, yeah, I really want it to happen. And I want to live stream it. So there's no oh, he said this, he said this, she said that, this happened, that happened. No, we're doing it live. Try to dunk on us as a death sentence. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, that's funny. I'm gonna hit you with those fucking when it's like you put your hand out like this. Like I'll be at like half court and I'll be like that. Yeah, I'll put my hand out and be like, yeah, stay right there, pal. If I had to green on your ass, nah, you're getting heavily contested red every shot. Yeah, you're getting a 2% open, heavily contested red shot every time you shoot. I bet to fade from half court. Yeah. I bet if you faded from half court, the ball wouldn't even reach the 3-point line. And then I'd just pick that shit up and do a 360 slam dunk. The heck was that? What was that noise? I'll be back in 1 second. Yeah, I'll be back in 1 sec. Let's see. All right, let's actually get some music going now because I don't know why there's no music playing. Let's actually get some music going. We're gonna go ahead and Oops. Your bias right now is towards sell side. We'll see. It's kind of changing a little bit. I'm open to changing it pretty quickly as we get more closers. Yeah, it can change rate to session as more closers play out. Okay, there's music now. That's dope. Yeah, sorry about that. Like, now that we got this kind of bullish closure above that 30-minute shit, it's tiny bit different. But like I said before, the 4 hour is still very bearish on the previous closer, and there's an hour 22 left with not much of a bottom wick to it. News did just hit, so that could impact the direction a little bit too. I think we just have to wait and get more confirmation more than anything. Yeah, we need to wait and get more confirmation more than anything. Definitely. Also, I was literally saying before, like, if we get no trade today, that would be terrific. We're trading on the day of FOMC. We don't need to take a trade. It's kind of better if we don't get a clean setup. How often do you miss step 2, the retest? Oh, do you mean how often do it not play out that way? Not too often, to be honest. Yeah, not too often, which is why we wait for that retest, because most of the time it does happen. If you take it without one, it's a way lower probability for it to play out. Yeah. Guys, first time stream in New York ever. We got 54 people here. Smash the like button. See if we can get this out to more people. Also, I'm going to post a link to my free Discord. Yeah, I have a free Discord community. We have over 200 people there. We're all super chill, super cool, awesome, super awesome, really cool community, guys. Really awesome, really cool. I'm going to pin that message. Feel free to join it. Post trades, post anything. Every weekend we get together and kind of talk about staying growth orientated and talk about life and just goals in general. If that interests you, then join through that link. Really, really cool. Really, really awesome, guys. Go ahead and join that. All bets are off today. You winging it for sure. Better not gonna scammers asking for stuff in your Discord. I mean, if you fall for a scam, that's kind of on you most of the time, because it's so obvious. It's so obvious. If anybody asks you for anything, why give it to them? Yeah, Shibby's there, see? The legend himself, Shibby's there. Yeah, legit. Shibby just fucking attracted so many people. Yeah, it's like, hey, can I interest you in crypto? What's your crypto wallet? People in Tucker's live stream today, friggin' someone in chat was like, if you're interested in crypto, I can educate you. And it was this fucking AI picture of a hot ass chick with a suit on. If you're falling for that, it's on you. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a profitable coin to trade, to be honest. You know what's funny about diarrhea? Yeah, you know what's funny about diarrhea? Guys, listen, everybody pay attention to this, because this is a really interesting fact. Very interesting fact. Diarrhea is actually hereditary. Oh my gosh, Tucker, you ruined it. You fucking ruined it, bro. I was trying to set it up. And you ruined it. Yeah, Tucker, you're wild for that, man. That's a major pause moment right there. Look at what FaZe Hour said. Look at this. Wait, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use my snipping tool. And I'm going to snip that. I'm going to snip that. See that? That's going on my wall. This right here is going... Actually, you know what? It's not going on my wall. It's going on my ceiling above where I sleep. Pez, too damn funny, cute, and truth seeker. So true. They gave the punchline away on The Last of Us. Yeah, true. That's where I got that joke from. It's funny how you friggin' look like JC. Who's JC? Yeah, who's JC? Pez is so funny and cool and cute and cool and sexy and cool and awesome. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, people actually say that all the time. It's a running joke in my chat. People call me Pezus. What does that mean? What does GOTY mean? Yeah, what does GOTY mean? I feel like it means like greatest of the year or something. Am I wrong? Could be wrong. Oh, game of the year? Man, I'm probably the worst person to ask, to be honest. I haven't played video games for a long time. Yeah, I've always... Even if I did play video games, it was always Warzone. Always. I mean, prior to when Warzone came out, it was always Call of Duty, but... Yeah, when Warzone came out, it's pretty much been that only. Ask Orem. Orem fucking knows. Orem knows how much Warzone I played. You're not missing much. It's more about a movie and less about playing a game. Did I miss something? Pez, I think one of your messages didn't go through. I know what Tucker plays. He plays fucking Clash Royale. Yeah, that was a running joke in my friend group too. Everybody used to say I could never play anything but Warzone. Anybody ever play Plants vs. Zombies? That used to be a good game. Way back in the day. I kind of like that one. Back in the days, yup. Anybody want to play Shadow Legends? I might take a buy above here, honestly. The 30's pushing up nicely. We have to close above that, though. I mean, I think the 30 can easily give us more on this candle. I think the 30 can easily give us more. I am playing 20 games for more than 20 years. Wow. If this fails, I'm going to bed. Don't blame you, bro. Definitely do not blame you. Yes, candle after news hit. It was a bullish news candle. Broke above a level. 30-minute is looking clean for it. Hourly's looking kind of clean too. 4 hours really bullish at this point. If we can just give us a decent wick down. If we want to give us a decent wick down. No top wick. A little bit risky in that case, but I like the structure of it doing this. I like the structure of it. Close with no wick. Yeah, I know. That part sucks. Give it a minute anyways. See how this develops here. See how this develops. Is that a level on a 30? Yeah. Need me a bottom wick here. Oh, are you thinking about taking this, Tucker? I think I'm going to let this double tap. Thinking about buying, yeah. Yeah, if we kind of go back down and then... Oh, never mind. It's gone. It's gone. Say goodbye. Yeah, I think I wanted to let that double tap, especially buying into a little bit of a resistance there. Would have much preferred to let that double tap. Now, resistance definitely matters. It definitely matters. But you want to have more safety measures in place. If you are going to take a trade into a minor resistance, you want to have more safety measures in place. Which is why I didn't take it on the first flip. Yeah, no entry there. Yeah, we didn't even create a wick on the new candle, so that's a red flag. A red card. Someone threw out the red card there. Yeah, W Jack. W Jack, 100%. You took a sell? No, you never. I know that's cap. Off the bed, yeah. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for showing up. Peace out. Have a good one. You see small wick? Where to? Pretty decent sized wick on both sides. Yeah, if we want to continue to push up here, the next level that I'll have interest in would not be until up here, I don't think. I don't think I'll be interested in anything till up here. That's only 34 ticks. This is a little bit more, I think. Yeah, 50. 30 is just ugly pretty much everywhere. Hourly still pushing up. It's going for a London high right now, possibly. There's an internal order block. Yeah, I don't really care about that. Do not really care about that. Pushing up because of volume. Well, can't really push up because of volume alone, because volume can push price in any direction. But yeah. Yeah. Volume from NYC Open definitely stronger than resistance and support zones. I mean, you can't really assume that. Price is still going to react there. Like, it's been reacting at this for 5 minutes. It's been reacting at this level for 5 minutes now. Oof, you exited your position. Yeah, there was a news candle anyway, so I don't blame you. Yeah, we got 66 people here. If anybody's new here, hit the sub button, hit like. I do this every day. I trade Asia live. I also trade pre-London and London live regularly. New York is like a kind of one-off thing. This is the first time I ever done New York. Yeah, this is the first time I ever done New York. What time are you live? Typically Asia and pre-London is the times I go live. Yeah, legit. Yeah, I gotta go to bed after this, actually. I need to get some sleep before Asia. One sec, I need to send a message. Since this is the first time on NY Open. What did that message say? I seen something about verbal abuse. Short NQ. Damn, I can't trade NQ, dude. Oh, what's the most verbal abuse I got? I haven't really got much. Yeah, everybody's pretty respectful normally. Where's my mom? She's at work again. Yeah, she's at work again. Not even joking. What were you doing before trading? Hating my life. Legit hating my life. Yeah, I will. I will, 100%. Trading save your life. It kind of did. Yeah, it kind of did. Not gonna lie. Count your blessings. I do every day, bro. I do every day. Yeah, I'm actually so thankful and appreciative of the live streams, everybody being here every day, and like having the ability to trade, the living situation I'm in. It's wonderful, man. Like, my life changed. Really changed. Yeah, God bless, man. Yeah, it's a big part of it too, is my faith. My faith really carried me through a lot of shit that I never thought I'd get through. At times I never thought I'd get through it, but you know, I had faith that I would, I guess. Yeah. Faith in God, you know, reading the Bible, talking to Jesus. Yeah. From nobody to famous Canadian profitable trader. I can only imagine, Sylvia. I can only imagine. Right now I can only imagine, but yeah, soon that'll be true. 100%. Not just profitable, but cute too. Appreciate you, dog. Yeah, Jesus never fails. 100%. Always. He will deliver you, bro. He will deliver you. Just hold on. Have faith. Let's see here. Yeah, NY is kind of a vibe though. It's actually nice with light coming through my window. It's typically completely blackout dark. I should move to Dubai. Maybe. I don't know. I'm thinking about just moving somewhere else in Canada. We have been in this daily range for 9 days, bro. It's ridiculous, man. It is seriously ridiculous. Like, man, I'm going to be honest. This liquidity is leaving me riddled in Little Italy. You know what I'm saying? Hoping FOMC can take us out of this crap. I think it will. Yeah, I think it will. Should I gamble it on my live account? What do you guys think? Should I gamble FOMC? Maybe not. L Seal. Everybody type L Seal in chat. Yeah. Come on, bro. Why are you trying to be a good influence? Why are you trying to be a good friend? Who's a good friend these days? Like, bro's actually being a good person. Like, who is this guy? Sylvia? I don't know, Sylvia. You're pretty freaking saucy. No, I'm just kidding. Full port my payouts. Yeah, let me take my payouts and put it in a brokerage and freaking full port it. Oh, Heather's here. I didn't even notice that. She was reading Exodus this week. Can someone explain to me how bad those humans were for God to flood the fuckers? Probably pretty bad. Yeah, I'd say pretty bad. Just tried to what now? Yeah, what do you try to do? Yeah, I need to get an offshore unregulated broker. Just tried to full port that last year. Really? Where'd you full port to? I'm hoping it was a buy position. After that 30-minute level, so it was right. I'm guessing the level you're talking about is right there. And you might have entered down there. 54 ticks, yeah. W, man. Oh, Phase Hour, you're leaving. Too bad, man. I'll catch you later. 2 contracts to 42.05. 42.05. Oh, you're in a sell. So did you just enter? I'm so confused. Why 42.05? Oh, Forex. I was looking at futures. I was tripping then. And people think it's fine to blaspheme at him these days. They have no idea what's to come. I do agree. I do agree. Yeah, I was thinking about it. Waiting on the 30 now? Yeah, we'll see what happens with this 30. Gambled and half trade, but okay. You took a trade, Jack? Did Jack take a trade? No, he never. Jack's more responsible than that. Oh, not you. Yeah, I thought so. Hourly's closing right now. We're getting a pretty strong 15-minute closer back below where this level was. Having myself a casino day with my evals today. W, man. W. Doesn't make any sense to take it. The main case would be the 30 closing like that and pushing up on the next one. This is like, I wanted to catch this part of it somehow because I really seen that happening, but wasn't able to do it because this level was a bit up there. Really, I wanted it to break above this. Initially, I wanted this candle to break above there because that's just a wick on a 30. That's kind of hard to be part of that move, though. How did this close on? I might take a sell here. I might take a sell back down. Yeah, I might take a sell back down. I think I'm comfortable with this, right? I think I'm comfortable with this. Let's give it 30 seconds here and see what happens. Yeah. No bottom wick. Yeah, that's fine on the opening candle, though. That's fine on the opening candle. It's mainly just the one that closes that matters. Not gonna lie, on my Forex top 1 account, GBPJPY looks fresh these days. Really? I think yeah, it works well with the strategy, to be honest. That pair does. You posting something in Discord? That sounds good. Yeah, sure. Let's see. If we break the previous, I'm in for sells. Yeah, if we break the previous, I'm in for sells real quick. And I might hop off after, so yeah, we'll see how this wants to play out. With that bullish hourly closer, I'm going to just go for a little scalp. I don't want to get too much out of this, to be honest.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm tapped in. Stop about there. Take profit down here. Yeah, let's see if we can get a little push out of this. See if we can get a little push. A little bit more than that, maybe. Would definitely like a little bit more than that. I do like that we got a little bit of a pop. I think if we break that bottom wick again, I'm going to go break even. Cod tongue, I've never tried it. Yeah, I've never tried it. Maybe I'll give this a little bit of time to breathe. It's still 11 minutes on the candle. Don't want to hit break even too early. Grab B, W, man. Yeah, W. I'm going to give it a little bit more time to breathe, I think. It might be a bad decision, but yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, that does look pretty clean, actually. Yeah. That does look pretty clean. I mean, you look at the hourly, you're like, damn. Am I asking for too much out of this? But I think the 15 and the 30 looks pretty good. Yeah, I think the 15 and the 30 actually looks pretty good. Yeah, I know. Yeah, why even trade gold anymore? Why do we even do it? Nice push. Yeah, we got a little push there. We got a little push. It wasn't enough for me to go to break even, but we did get a little push. Yeah, we love gold. See, like, it's a love-hate relationship, but overall, we love gold. Yeah, 100%. We still got 10 minutes on this candle too, so unless we just massively reject, I'm comfortable with this trade. Finally, some decent price action. Yeah, it is pretty close to a news candle too, so that kind of throws me off a little bit, but I mean, FOMC today just had that index stuff, so it is a dangerous time to trade for sure. Nah, I'm not calling you crazy. I'm just trying to get a little scalp. That's all. Nah, it makes total sense to think we will be bullish today. You're gonna wait? Yeah, W. Not looking good right now. Someone say crazy. Yeah, don't forget about Crazy B. You want to have a crazy contest? That dude is the one. you want to have a crazy contest? You hit up Crazy B, he'll win. Disregard you. Nah, it makes sense actually. If you got in early, it makes sense. I was just trying to get a little bit of a scalp. Kind of like the hourly bottom wick, but yeah, it didn't push far enough. Did not push far enough. It's all good though. I'll screenshot that. I'm perfectly happy with that trade. I'm perfectly happy with it. Two things to note is it was close to FOMC and another red folder news, the unemployment index as well. That's two things to note. Yeah, another loss chalked up. Another loss in the books. Yeah, all we can do is just show up and execute though. Let's gamble FOMC. You want to? Naked wick on top. Yeah, that's fine. We retested the resistance pretty clean. So I'm okay with that. Especially since we had that much strength in the body too on the 15. Yeah, no sweat. Obviously, I really don't care. I mean, I'm pissed that I've been losing lately, but that's just part of it. Trying to set up yourself but miss my entry. Yeah, lucky you. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sleep before Asia for sure. It's 10:30 a.m. Yeah, I mean it's character building. That's one thing. It's 100% character building. I'm gonna go ahead and lock out actually. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lock out. I'm chill, man. I'm chill. Thanks, though. Appreciate you thinking about me. Yeah, legit. Losses are just the new normal these past couple weeks. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna lock out. And I'll catch you guys later. If it makes you feel any better, Prez, on 4 losses in a row this week. It doesn't make me feel better. It doesn't make me feel better. Because I don't really feel bad. I just feel fucking... Yeah, I just feel fucking normal. Catch you guys later. Love you guys. Thanks for showing up. First New York stream. Massive L on stream. But it was a great time. Thanks for everybody being here. Hit the sub. Can you see my journal? No. Maybe sometime. Peace, guys.